Good evening and welcome to Masterpiece Theatre. Today I'll be sharing the greater-than adventures of Goldilocks. Let's begin, shall we? Once upon a time, young Goldilocks went for a walk in the woods when she came across the home of the 3 bears, which happened to be next to the home of the 2 goats.
Funny, I don't remember the 3 bears living next to the 2 goats.
Well, that's because this story is called Goldilocks and the 3 number stories.
A number story? What's that?
A number story is a story about numbers. I'll show you. If 3 bears live in their house and 2 goats live in theirs, are there more goats or bears? Young Goldilocks compared the bears to the goats.
There are 3 bears and 2 goats. Since 3 is more than 2, there are definitely more bears than goats.
So young Goldilocks reached into her basket. Go ahead, reach into your basket. And she put the symbol between the 2 numbers, with the larger end next to the larger number, 3. And the smaller end is next to the smaller number, 2. And that, young Goldilocks, is a number story.
But what if the goats invited 10 of their closest goat friends to move in? Are there more goats or more bears?
Well, first I would compare the number of goats to the number of bears.
Since 12 is greater than 3, there are way more goats than bears. That means the larger end of the symbol goes next to the larger number, 12, and the smaller end of the symbol goes next to the smaller number, 3.
Well done, Goldilocks.
Then Papa Bear had a great idea.
Let's invite 10 of our best bear friends over for a bear jamboree.
Now, are there more goats or bears?
If there are 13 bears now and only 12 goats, I know there are more bears because 13 is greater than 12. I put the symbol so that the larger number 13 is next to the larger end, and the smaller number 12 is next to the smaller end. This is fun! There are so many number stories we can tell. Maybe I should be going now.
But the bear jamboree is about to begin. You need only to get off that bear's banjo. Papa Bear had planned the greatest bear jamboree ever, and everyone, including the goats, had a wonderful time.